Hey guys, welcome back. This is another one in the series for periodic washing instructionals. If you haven't watched the weekly washing video, I recommend you do that, then come back to this one. And this is a variant on that, to keep those things that you don't do every week in check. We start the monthly process by doing everything that we did in the weekly wash video. This time move everything. If your steering wheel telescopes, have a look, there'll be some dust hiding there. If you can raise your headrests, do that. You get the picture. If there's anything that can move, move it and tend to any dust that's hiding behind that. Now get your favourite brush, whether that's a modified paintbrush or whatever it is that you like for the specific areas of your specific vehicle, and tend to all those details, especially the veins on vents. Use compressed air everywhere. Compressed air is brilliant. It gets into places you cannot. If you've cleaned the vents, don't forget to turn the aircon, ramp the fan right up, and this will help you push anything out that you may have pushed in. Next is leather. So every 4 weeks you should clean your leather. Now only clean the seats that require cleaning. For instance, if it's your car and you haven't had any passengers for a month, only clean the driver's seat. As always with leather, most of the dirt will be caught in the stitching and on the edges of the seats, so concentrate on them. Make sure you've used a damp cloth and remove all the leather clean or whatever chemical you happen to be using from the seats, and then feed that leather. Feeding is the term we use for conditioning or hydrating. Make sure you tend to door jambs every month. If you do, they should only need some very general light cleaning. For Alcantara, you can use a damp microfiber cloth, and if you do happen to have a little leather clean in it, that'd be good. Once you've completed the interior, you can use that same damp microfiber cloth on your vacuumed fabric mats. I like to use a little Purity, which has some antimicrobial action and keeps them smelling a little fresher. Now I clean my glass every month. You may want to do this every week, but I recommend at least once a month, especially in the winter month, to clean glass inside and out properly. I do this once a month by using the final inspection glass system, which is a step 1 cloth, slightly damp, followed by a step 2 cloth, dry. Using this system is quick and easy with a reliable streak-free finish. If you have pets, or you smoke in the car, or if you just simply require a chemical, add it to the step 1 cloth. I recommend using Boost on trim and screens. This removes fingerprints, helps avoid fingerprinting, and gives them a very gloss slick feel. It's especially good for touch sensitive screens. I then finish up with just a bit of fragrance. By default we use musk, and 4 pumps, 1 at each corner of the car, is ample. And that is all for our recommended interior monthly cleaning. Hope it's been helpful. Any questions, never hesitate to ask. Thank you.